Hello everyone, welcome. I am Anvita of class 10 from TSW RS Girls Jagitya. Let very first I would like to respect our honorable principal ma'am and all the teachers and dear friends, as we all know that today is Independence Day. So on August 15th, 2021 we are celebrating this. So not only this year, from the year of 1947 we are celebrating August 15th as the Independence Day, and this day is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm and patriotism in our country. And from 1947 we are celebrating August 15th as the Independence Day, and almost all the states, districts, mandals, villages will be celebrating with this day with some formal events like flag hosting and etc. And this is a very special day for all of us, and this is the day where we express our tributes to our country and the martyrs who has been lost their life for the setting of our country free. That means this is a very special day for all of us to express our gratitudes and tributes to the freedom fighters, those who have been sacrificed for freedom of our country. And also this is a very special day and this is very big day for Indian people, because on this day we got freedom from the British rule, and Britishers were ruled our country more than 200 years. And before independence of India, it has become a very hard life for the Indian people to lead their life. And Britishers are used to migrate all the spices from our Indian country, and they used to occupy some important lands and etc. And they used to make our Indian people to do all the works, and Britishers are make our Indian people to become slaveries. So it has become very hard for the Indian people to lead their life. So they have suffered a lot with the crucial behavior of Britishers. At lastly, on August 15, 1947, India got freedom from British rule, and some of the freedom fighters like Lal Lajpat Rai, Rajguru, and Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. So not only these members, many members have been sacrificed their life for freedom of our country. And after independence of India, India got all the fundamental rights of its own nation, and also India became a very large democratic country after independence of India. And today we have freedom in almost all the categories such as education, sports, business, transportation and etc. Now it is our role to lead our country and to make it as the best country in the world. And there are a lot to speak about our country, but lastly I would like to say that I am really proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.